Welcome to the Polarization of Light Lab. In this experiment, we'll be investigating the properties of polarizers in 2 and 3 polarizer systems.
This is a linear polarizer. It allows light in a specific linear polarization to pass through and prevents light in other polarizations from passing through.
This is a red diode laser. It creates a focused beam of light at approximately 650 nanometers that is approximately linearly polarized.
This is another polarizer that has mounted onto a rotary motion sensor. The sensor allows Data Studio to capture the angular position of the polarizer, thus allowing us to plot light intensity as a function of angular position.
This is a light sensor assembly. The slits on the rotating disc control how much light gets into the sensor. For this experiment, you should position the white translucent mask in front of the sensor as shown.
Start with the laser, one polarizer, and the light sensor assembly on the track. Open the Polarization Data Studio file on the desktop. Adjust the windows so that the setting the maximum monitor is visible. Press Start and rotate the polarizer until the signal is maximized. Although the laser is roughly linearly polarized to begin with, this forces the beam into a single polarization state.
Add the polarizer that is attached to the rotary motion sensor to your system, placing it between the first polarizer and the light sensor assembly. Press Start and then rotate the second polarizer until the signal is maximized. We're not yet taking useful data. This will essentially just set up the initial angle for your run.
Now it's time to record some useful data. Press Start and rotate the second polarizer through at least 180 degrees. For convenience, you may wish to rotate in the direction that makes the angles positive.
Next, we'll prepare the system for measurements with 3 polarizers. Start by removing the polarizer with the rotary motion sensor attached to it. Add the other polarizer, press Start, and rotate it until the signal is minimized, essentially preventing any light from getting through the system.
Add the polarizer attached to the sensor, placing it between the other 2 polarizers. Press Start in Data Studio and rotate it through at least 360 degrees.
We hope you enjoyed the Polarization of Light Lab. And remember, if you can't see the point of the lab, rotate your head 90 degrees.